46वी FCI इंटरझोनल फुटबॉल सर्त धुळेर म्हापसा हांगासर चालू आसा। 5 फेब्रुवारीक सुरू जाल्ल्या ह्या सर्तीचो 10 फेब्रुवारीक समारोप जातलो। सुमार 4 पंगड मॅचीच्या फायनलीत खेळटले अशी माहिती आयोजकांनी दिल्या। अर्डेक्सको खातीर म्हापशेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
FCI Food Corporation of India, FCI means Food Corporation of India, West Zone, situated at Bombay, holding this 46th interzonal FCI interzonal football tournament at Duler ground, Mapusa. It started on 6th February and final is on 10th February. 4 teams. Today was the semi-final. 4 teams qualified for semi-final, and they are North Zone and Headquarters. First they played North Zone, and in that match, North Zone won by 2-0. And second semi-final was West Zone versus East Zone, and in that match, East Zone won by 2-1. And tomorrow will be the finals between North Zone and East Zone at 9 AM.
So matches is going on all over India. Sometimes they give chances to West Zone to hold the match or tournament. And some year the other zone will organize that matches. This is 46th year of this tournament.
In Goa first.
No, previously
in Goa 4 years back there is same ground, same tournament.
From Headquarters, OP Dani, and from Zonal Office Rajesh Shah, Daliwal, Mr. Daliwal, they are attending tomorrow morning for closing ceremony, as well as inauguration ceremony. Also our ED R.K. Chaturvedi also attended.